Good day, sir, madam. My name is Salve Existing Hularabal, 30 years old. I am married to Saturnino Hau Hularabal. I have 3 children. They are all boys. They are 10, 7, and 3 years old. I live in Daraga, Albay, Philippines. I am a high school graduate. This is my first experience applying abroad, but I have 2 working experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines. My first working experience was last 2015 to 2017, 2 years finished contract, 2 adult and 1 child, 10 years old girl. I do cleaning, cooking, gardening, washing clothes and ironing, and taking care of 1 pet dog. I woke up at 4 a.m. and sleep at 10 p.m. My second work experience was last 2022 to 2024, 2 years finished contract, 1 adult. I do cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, gardening, and car washing. I sleep at 10 p.m. I don't have allergies. I undergo hemorrhoidectomy surgery. I don't have tattoos and I don't have medications. Sir, madam, I am hardworking, honest, and can work under pressure, loyal, reliable, and trustworthy. I hope you choose me to be a part of your household. I will follow all the rules and regulations of my employer, and I promise to finish my contract. I hope to see you soon, sir, madam. Thank you.